Okay, so once again, good evening po. Andito na naman ang For the Kid Duo with Songs of Love and Life. And for our first piece, isang awitin po na special request and sponsored by Miss Karina Soliven Abaya na nasa Bahrain. Ayan, she's requesting for the song actually mula po kay Jan Obanyon. Kaya lang, um, hindi ko pa po naareglo. So, sabi ko magbigay pa ng ibang song. So, sabi niya, eto na lang kuya, kinanta niyo na dati pero gusto ko tong awitin na to. From Ronan Keating, If Tomorrow Never Comes. So, eto raw ay para sa kanyang mga kaibigan, sa kanyang special friends na si Alma Malyari, Cristina Artus, kaya Manang Esther Calibuso, Maria Reyes, Boyet Cortez, Gemma Cortez, Rodel Season, Vian Molina, Janet Delim, Dolor Yumang, Herns Untalan, kay Clarissa Agabao, Ferdy Abaya, Flora Agpoon, Lisa Racuza, Christy Abaya, Mila Hadormeyo or Jadormeyo, to Margie Agbuya, Clarence Saludares, to Arlene Dedel and Rosemary Acosta, para rin kay Zenny Acosta, Maria Samilem, Tita Nelly de la Cruz, kay Jackie Gabriel, ayan, at kay Jackie Gabriel I should say. So, yan ay kanyang mga special friends. Once again, mula po kay Karina Sullivan Abaya ang request na ito. At ipapakita ko ang mga picture ng kanyang mga kaibigan as requested. So, eto na po.
Sometimes late at night I lie awake and watch her sleeping. She's lost in peaceful dreams, and I turn out the lights later in the dark. And the thought crosses my mind, if I never wake in the morning, would she ever doubt the way I feel about her in my heart? If tomorrow never comes, will she know how much I love her? Did I try in every way to show her every day that she's my only one? Time on earth were through, she must face this world without me. Is the love I gave her in the past gonna be enough to last if tomorrow never comes? 'Cause I've lost loved ones in my life who never knew how much I loved them. Now I live without regret that my true feelings for never were revealed. So I made a promise to myself to say each day how much she means to me. In avoid that circumstance where there's no second chance to tell her how I feel. If tomorrow never comes, will she know how much I love her? Did I try in every way to show her every day my only one? And if my time on earth were through, she must face this world without me. Is the love I gave her in the past gonna be enough to last if tomorrow never comes? Tell that someone that you love just what you're thinking of if tomorrow never comes.
So that's it from Ronan Keating, If Tomorrow Never Comes, as requested by our friend, our Karuba from Bahrain, Miss Karina Sullivan Abaya. Thank you very much for sponsoring this tonight's episode.